Small Business Taxes 2023, the most complete and updated guide with tips and tax loopholes you need to know to avoid IRS penalties and save money. Written by Martin J. Kallman. Narrated by Ivan Busenius. Copyright 2023, all rights reserved. The content contained within this book may not be reproduced, duplicated, or transmitted without direct written permission from the author or the publisher. Under no circumstances will any blame or legal responsibility be held against the publisher or the author for any damages, reparation, or monetary loss due to the information contained within this book, either directly or indirectly. Legal notice. This book is copyright protected. This book is only for personal use. You cannot amend, distribute, sell, use, quote, or paraphrase any part or the content within this book without the consent of the author or the publisher. Disclaimer notice. By listening to this audiobook, the listener agrees that under no circumstances is the author responsible for any losses, direct or indirect, which are incurred as a result of the use of information contained within this audiobook, including but not limited to errors, omissions, or inaccuracies. Introduction. When it comes to business, you need all the help you can get in order to become truly successful. One of the important aspects of business that most people need help with is paying taxes. One of the first challenges to beset people who are beginning their very first business venture is unfamiliarity with the taxation system. Today, many Americans find themselves constantly struggling with the continuous increase in their federal and state taxes. Whether you own a business or not, you still have to pay taxes. This is where this book comes in handy. It serves as a practical guide for those who wish to learn the nitty-gritty of the taxation system. It also shows you how to exploit tax loopholes and tax penalties legally. It takes you on a journey through the complex world of business and taxes so that you are armed with all the information you need to launch your first business. This book begins by providing you with detailed information on the different types of business entities and how each affects your taxes. It then proceeds to offer you insight into the taxes under the Internal Revenue Service, or the IRS, that you are liable to pay. Lastly, it offers you valuable advice on which business entity would be the most suitable for your specific needs, so that you can...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?